Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use CapCut AI tools in 2026. So whether you want automatic captions, AI background removal, text-to-speech, AI effects, or smart editing features, yeah, CapCut includes a lot of powerful AI tools that can speed up your editing workflow. First, open CapCut and create a new project or open an existing video you want to edit. Next, import your videos, images, or audio clips into CapCut using the import button or drag and drop. One of the most popular AI tools is auto captions. So, open the text section and choose auto captions to generate subtitles automatically from your audio. If your video looks blurry or low quality, try the AI enhancement tools available in some CapCut versions. These tools can sharpen footage and improve lighting automatically. CapCut also offers AI templates, stickers, and smart editing presets that can speed up content creation for shorts, reels, and TikToks. Once your AI edits are finished, click Export in the top right corner and save the final video to your PC. And that's basically how to use CapCut AI tools in 2026. With features like auto captions, AI voice generation, background removal, and smart effects, you can edit videos much faster and easier directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.